what is that? That, my son, is a turbo pack for the household fan. Now, you go and get your droney stuff together. I will go up before you and I'll plug this in so you can stay nice and cool when you're flying your drone this afternoon. I'll give up. Hello and welcome back and welcome to part 4 of Fun with Effects and Drones. And for first time visitors here, I'm Phil and I fly the DJI Spark and take pictures and videos of the world we live in. And I'm Stephen Twait, and I do all the colouring in. Now, before we begin, I just want to remind you geezers not to forget to click that subscribe button and click that bell. So I don't have to wake my ferret up at night and you can stay safe in your bed at night. Yes, thank you, Stephen. So today is a very special day. We are going to have a lovely day out in the countryside. We're going to relax, eat some good food, and I'm going to turn off the phone and just enjoy the peace and quiet. And while I'm there, I'm going to run a little test on the Spark. Now, I have long believed that because of the relatively slow speed at which the Spark travels, compared to some of the other more expensive small drones, it is best flown at lower levels. In other words, the higher up you go, the less sense of motion you get in your video. So, I'm going to fly it at 30 meters, 50 meters, 70 meters and 100 meters. And I'm going to fly it forwards, backwards and sideways. And then we can all come back and have a look at the video and see if actually height does affect the motion that you will get in the video. That's right. And I too am going to enjoy today because I like to a nice piece, a bit of quiet. Now, I'm a kind of geezer who doesn't talk too much. You know that. I know that. But my mate Trevor, he tells me that I'm as quiet as a mouse. Now, how do I know if I'm as quiet as a mouse? I don't know, because I don't know how quiet a mouse is. Now, I know that if Trevor says I'm a man who does not like to talk, I must be a quiet person. So, I am going to enjoy the day out. Now, what I want you to do is to go ahead to the location, find a nice spot to fly the drone, and I will make the packed lunch and follow you a little bit later. But I don't know how to get there. Look, it's easy. I've loaded the coordinates into your phone, so just follow the map. Good idea. I like that googly maps. Now I understand. Good. So now that we've got all that sorted out, let's go and enjoy a lovely day out. Well, I've arrived. I've been here for a little while now, and I found a nice little spot for him to fly his drone here. So, I hope he's not going to be too much later because I'm feeling a bit peckish and I'm ready for that packed lunch that he made. So, hopefully he will arrive soon and I will see you all later. Okay, I've arrived at location. I'm a little bit later than I thought I was going to be, but I found this beautiful little restaurant on the way and I stopped off and had a nice bit of breakfast. I've sent Stephen off to a different location and he's not the most patient of guys, so he's probably arrived and gone home already. So that gives me plenty of peace and quiet today, and I'm going to run the tests for you now and then we can have a look at the video after. So I'll go and get on with it, and we'll see you all later. Okay, I think that for me, looking at that video, I think it shows that because the Spark does fly slower than some of the more expensive compact drones, that there is an optimal height, and above 65-70 meters you are going to lose some of that motion in your video, and it's going to make it look like the drone is not traveling. So above 70 meters possibly, then it's great for taking still photographs, but I would say for me personally it's best to fly the Spark between 35 and 70 meters. Okay, so I'm feeling a bit peckish now, so I'm just going to eat that packed lunch, and then I'm just going to wander around this afternoon and take some photographs and enjoy the day before I make my way home later on this evening. So I'll see you all back home.
Well, I don't know where he is, but I'll tell you something, I hope he gets here soon because I'm feeling very hungry now. But luckily, I've got some of his special cookies. Now, Mum's the word, he don't know that I took some of his cookies, so I'll be alright for now. But hopefully, he will turn up very soon so I can eat something nice. So, hopefully, we will see you later.
So I'm back home now, and I've cooked up Stephen's favourite dinner, which is liver, bacon, onions, and a nice bit of mashed potato and gravy. And unfortunately, I don't know where he is. He's probably gone off to the pub with Trevor, so serves him right for being so impatient. So I'm going to just go and tuck in now and then get some sleep. Before I go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can stay updated when we upload new videos. And we will see you all next time.
Well, I don't know where he is. Oh, it's too late now to go home, so I guess I'll have to sleep here tonight. I feel a bit hungry, but I'll be okay, because some of my friends have come to see me tonight, so I'll go home in the morning and everything will be okay. So, I'll see you Jesus.
To start again with people you don't know, and when you need a friend they never seem at home. So when you feel